Aren't they so cute?
This one is from all of us. This is from Aunt Lisa, Jonathan, me.
Say thank you, all of us.
Taster, you cats.
Open it. What is it?
This is all of us.
It plays music.
Oh, I got that one all blurry.
DVD player. For
Abigail, can I take a picture of you?
This is,
Here, just turn and say hi.
Well, at least got part of her face on that one. Every time I click, she's just turning, and it's like
The story of her life. She's always on the move.
This is from all of us again.
Thanks, all of us.
I know Jonathan was never in that stage.
oh, always. Although now he's doing it on purpose.
what?
I said you have to take 10 pictures of the same view to get one that works.
Look, it's a painting book. Look at that. And this she can paint on anything she wants.
It doesn't make a mess.
Oh, good. I was like,
Magic.
And if it does,
Yep, no, it's all clear. It only shows up. It only shows up if it's on the paper.
And if it
I
doesn't,
like it.
Yeah.
all
Crayola.
different
I like it.
colors, and you draw on the paper, and it's paper.
say it's best.
Yeah.
We'll play with that later.
Later on, you
Yeah,
can open it.
Hand it to mommy.
It's kind of cool. A friend of mine.
Put it on mommy
their
like
daughter
everything
had
else.
one. And even I got sidetracked playing with it, watching, having dipped my fingers, and I'm like, they're all clear, but this finger's purple and this one's red.
Markers are the same thing, so.
That's heavy.
Heavy one.
Mystery.
Oh my goodness, this is
Amen.
from Grandma. What do you think is in here? What do you think it is?